When it comes to drones, DJI has built a reputation for consistently pushing boundaries and redefining what is possible in the world of aerial photography and videography. Over the years, the company has developed everything from hobbyist drones to professional-grade machines used in filmmaking, construction, and mapping. But one of the most exciting trends has been the shrinking size of drones without sacrificing quality. That is exactly where the DJI Mini 5 Pro comes into the spotlight. The first thing you notice about the DJI Mini 5 Pro is its size and weight. Coming in at just around 236 grams, it is incredibly light, making it one of the easiest drones to carry around. Its dimensions, roughly 47 by 36.5 by 20 centimeters, mean that it doesn't take up much space in a bag, and in some cases, you could even fit it inside a jacket pocket. This kind of portability is crucial for creators who want to travel light without giving up on quality. But being lightweight doesn't mean fragile. DJI constructed the drone with durable materials like a carbon fiber frame and aluminum alloy body, ensuring that it can withstand minor bumps, occasional rough landings, and the general wear and tear of outdoor adventures. In essence, the Mini 5 Pro is built to be tough enough for the real world while still staying light enough for on-the-go shooting, of course. Size alone is not what makes this drone special. It is the camera system that truly sets the DJI Mini 5 Pro apart. DJI equipped it with a 1-inch CMOS sensor, which is a big deal for a drone this small. This sensor allows the Mini 5 Pro to record 4K video at 60 frames per second with HDR capabilities. That means creators can capture footage that is not only crisp and detailed, but also rich in dynamic range, highlights and shadows balanced beautifully. The 14 stops of dynamic range ensures that your videos don't lose detail even in difficult lighting conditions. Whether that's the bright glare of midday sun or the soft fading light of sunset. On top of that, the f1.8 aperture is wide enough to let in plenty of light, which is perfect for low-light shooting scenarios like nighttime cityscapes or dimly lit landscapes. For photographers, the camera captures 52-megapixel stills, which is impressive resolution for something so portable. Whether you're shooting sweeping aerial landscapes, detailed architectural shots, or creative portraits, the camera delivers professional-grade results. But a powerful camera is useless without stability. And that's where DJI's gimbal system shines. The Mini 5 Pro features a dual-axis gimbal with advanced tilt, roll, and your stabilization. This ensures that even if the drone is flying in less than ideal conditions, your footage will remain smooth and cinematic. The gimbal allows you to tilt the camera from -3 degrees to +75 degrees, meaning you can capture a wide variety of angles. From dramatic top-down shots to upward-looking perspectives that add variety and creativity to your footage, combined with DJI's image stabilization technology, you can expect footage that looks as if it were shot on a steady rig. Even when you're dealing with gusty winds or quick movements, safety is another crucial factor. And the DJI Mini 5 Pro doesn't disappoint thanks to its omnidirectional obstacle sensing system. Unlike basic drones that rely only on front sensors, the Mini 5 Pro has a network of sensors that give it vision in every direction. Using LAR technology, the drone creates real-time 3D maps of its environment, allowing it to recognize obstacles from multiple perspectives and avoid them intelligently. This means that whether you're flying through a forest, weaving between buildings, or simply flying low over uneven terrain, the Mini 5 Pro is constantly analyzing its surroundings to keep the flight safe. For new pilots, this is a game changer because it reduces the risk of accidents. For experienced flyers, it adds confidence when attempting more complex maneuvers. Beyond safety, DJI also introduced AI-powered tracking and smart flight modes that make the Mini 5 Pro an intelligent companion for creators. The drone can lock onto a subject and follow it seamlessly, whether you're jogging, biking, or driving. Thanks to its laser-assisted mapping and AI tricks, it can track subjects while still avoiding obstacles, making it almost like having a professional camera crew filming you. This feature is particularly useful for solo creators or vloggers who want dynamic, moving shots without needing another person to operate the drone. It also enhances creative possibilities. It's letting users focus on storytelling while the drone handles the technical aspects of flight. On the technical side, The video quality and color science deserve special attention. The Mini 5 Pro's footage doesn't just look sharp, it looks cinematic. With HDR video and advanced portrait optimization, the drone ensures that subjects stand out with natural depth and sharpness. Skin tones look flattering, and landscapes pop with vibrant colors that are true to life. The wide-angle lens provides depth and clarity while minimizing distortion, so you can capture everything from vast open landscapes to close-up details without losing quality. Professional creators will also appreciate how the footage holds up in post-production, thanks to the dynamic range and resolution. Now, let's move to the battery and transmission system, which are often deal breakers for drone users. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is equipped with a high-capacity battery that, under optimal conditions, can provide up to 360 minutes of operation. In realistic scenarios, such as continuous 4K recording, users can expect around 30 to 40 minutes of flight time per charge, which is still excellent for its size. DJI also incorporated its O4 Plus transmission system, which extends the control range to around 20 kilometers. That's more than enough for most creators. It's allowing for long-distance exploration and creative freedom without worrying about losing connection. This range, paired with strong stability, makes it possible to capture shots that would otherwise be impossible with smaller or cheaper drones. DJI has also thought about the accessories and bundles that enhance the Mini 5 Pro experience. Expected bundles include extra batteries, additional propellers, and even compatibility with other DJI products like the Mavic Air 3. These add-ons ensure that users can customize their setup depending on whether they are casual hobbyists or professional filmmakers. For those who want extended shooting time, extra batteries are essential, while others might benefit from specialized camera add-ons or upgraded carrying cases. In conclusion, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is more than just a drone. It is a creative tool that combines portability, intelligence, and professional performance in one sleek package. From its lightweight yet durable design to its stunning 4K HDR camera, advanced gimbal, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and AI-powered tracking, every aspect of the Mini 5 Pro is designed to elevate the user experience. It is perfect for travelers, vloggers, professional creators, and even hobbyists who want top-tier quality without the bulk. With impressive flight times, extended range, and smart features, it represents a new standard for what compact drones can achieve. If you're looking for a drone that balances convenience with capability, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is a serious contender. And if this detailed breakdown gave you a clearer picture, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss my honest tech reviews. Plus, make sure to check out the videos linked on the end screen. One covers the best drones for beginners, while the other dives into pro-level drone filmmaking tips that pair perfectly with a machine like the Mini 5 Pro.